For the past few days, such images are becoming very viral on the internet. People are converting memes of celebrities into Ghibli art and getting millions of views, and Instagram is completely filled with Ghibli art. To generate such images, you do not need to subscribe to ChatGPT because I'm going to tell you 2 free AI tools, and the last tool is amazing, so let's start with the first tool. First of all, search Ghibli AI in Play Store, then download the app and sign up with Google account, then click on the plus icon and upload your image. Now type in the text box, convert this image into Ghibli style and generate. Your image will be ready in a few seconds. You will see that this image does not look that perfect, but do not worry because we have another tool that generates super realistic images. Now to download the image, click on the image, then click on the 3 dots and save. Now let's talk about the second tool. I will provide you this tool in Telegram. First of all, open this tool and select this option, then scroll down, and then click on the Me option. Now select your image and upload it. Set the ratio as per your requirement and click on Generate. Your image will be ready in a few seconds. You can see that this tool has generated not 1 but 4 images, and the quality is next level. I like this image very much. To save it, click on the Save option above and your image will be saved. I have told you the tools, but you have not subscribed yet. So what are you doing, friends? Quickly like and subscribe. I will meet you in a new video with new AI tools.